20th century musical styles were free of traditional accepted rules and included experimenting with different style, form, and instrument. Rock and roll originated in the USA during the 40s and 50s from a combination of African American blues, boogie-woogie, jazz, and gospel, where piano and saxophone were lead instruments. This was followed by classic rock, where electric guitar, bass guitar, and drum roll. The use of amplifiers and classic rock influenced life and fashion, attitude and language. It wasn't until the 1950s that Britain became part of this culture. In the timeline of rock and roll, in the 20th century, the song Rock and Roll was released in Britain as the second track of the album 4 in 1971 and in the USA in 1972. Led Zeppelin fit more into the hard rock, heavy metal, psychedelic rock that is more aggressive form of rock with driving rhythm as given by the drumming of John Bonham and amplified distorted guitar as displayed by Jimmy Page, and sometimes loud, wailing vocals as those of Robert Plant and the use of riffs as the melody is played by John Paul Jones on the guitar. The song Rock and Roll was born out of frustration when drummer John Bonham was struggling with the pattern to force it and bashed out Little Richard's keeping it. This took the tension out of the session. Page added the guitar riff, and within 30 minutes the song was complete. Plant wrote the lyrics, repetitive lines within the verse, chorus structure, words that related to freedom of speech and the casual communication that became about with the style of rock and roll. It's been a long time, been a long time, been a long, lonely time. Yes, it has. Hard rock, heavy metal is a combination of blues rock and rock. These musicians played to a large audience and concerts were held in huge stadiums where the performances thrilled the senses of their audiences and aroused their imagination. The energy used and the spontaneity of the band would allow for the audience to dance and sing along. All the attributes of rock and roll lie within the song Rock and Roll.